So, ano na po tayo ngayon? Again, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ito po inyong lingkod, Ryan Soriano. You are now live at Fiesta Wararapa Pinoy Radio. Stay tuned from 4 to 5:30. Samahan niyo po ako. So, this is week 21 episode po natin. Apologies galing kay Ate Kini at saka kay Rika. Unfortunately, they're unable to host for you tonight kasi long weekend. So ako lang yung available na again solo flight po to man the fort kumbaga. So just to acknowledge our partners, the people supporting our Filipino community, namely, of course, Arrow FM, Access Radio Wairarapa, the Mastodon District Council, Mastodon Trust Land Trust, Chanel College, and then EZ Financial Services by Eric Zamora, and Planet Earth Travel and Tours Palmerston North by Jenny C. Lapan. So sila po yung tumutulong sa amin po with regards to our programs happening throughout the year. So as your host, we wish to include the disclaimer that all content we provide reflects our personal views and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of the station, its management, or affiliated organizations. It is intended solely for informational purposes only. So, huwag niyo po kaming i-quote. Yun lang pong ibig sabihin nun. Right. So, before we start with our segments, itong introductory song na to, very special po to sa akin. Kasi, tubong Pinoy kung tatawagin ko. So, ang singer po, siya din ang songwriter. So, she's young, she's only 19. She won the Youth Town Songwriting Competition way back in 2022 at saka yung ipapatugtog ko po na intro song natin for tonight is yung pinanalo niya doon sa songwriting competition na po yan. So this song galing po sa ating kababayan, anak, technically kababayan din. Anak po siya ng matalik kong kaibigan na si Ferdy Cruz. Walang iba kundi si Miss Abby Cruz with her song entitled Home. So sana you like this song and subscribe sa Spotify and just search the name Abby Cruz. So that's AVIY Cruz. So ito po yung kanta. Hope you like it.
Life's a mystery and everything's so bitter, so bitter. Your hands are tied as my chest. You're hesitating even
Yan. Home by Avi Cruz, our very own. So thank you anak for representing us the Filipinos here in Aotearoa. Maraming salamat sa iyo. So actually si Abby nagkita po kami last night sa Wellington. So kasama po niya yung buong pamilya niya at saka yung mga kaibigan po niya, yung family friends po nila doon sa sa Manawatu area. Nasa Wellington po sila para mamasyal. So it so happened na nakita ko yung mag-anak at saka si Abby, and then I remembered, Abby, yung song mo pala. So I'll feature it in today's show. So yun yung sabi ko sa bata. So we're very proud of you, Abby. Keep up the good work. Anak, sana makagawa ka ng buong album. Right. So we'll go to our next segment.